Today I am going to disassemble old Nokia Music Express set. It has a 2 megapixel of camera and the keyboard is totally destroyed before, and the LCD is totally okay, and there is no battery in the phone, and I am going to disassemble the whole mobile in front of you. So let's start. Now I have disassembled all the screw of the mobile, and now I am going to open this. But it is not opening. I think two screw left here, right? So let's open it. Now I think that it can be opened. Wow, this is a inside parts. This is a keyboard protector. I think this is the inside part of this mobile. Let it keep aside. And this is the LCD, and this is the keypad section, and this is the whole circuit. Now I'm going to show you the cover which is left. This is the cover, inside which there is a SIM card slot, and there is the charger point. Here you can see the charger point there, which is here, and here is the speaker. Where the speaker is not in the circuit, but speaker is here inside. It is connected by this metallic screw, and it is the main speaker, which is actually a magnet in nature, and this part have nothing else except the cover for the camera. That's all. Let this part keep aside. This is a normal simple parts with a speaker hole with design and a camera protector and nothing else. So the main circuit is this. Under these little things the whole phone is holded. So let's disassemble the LCD now. What is inside the LCD? Let us see. Wow, this is a LCD protector. This part is LCD protector. You can clearly see here Nokia Express Music. This is LCD protector, and this is the keypad protector. It is steel. If you can hear the sound, it is steel and it is of plastic fiber. And now come on to the main part. Let's keep aside. This is the LCD, which is being connected through a circuit cap, and if I want to open this circuit cap like this is how it is attached. Now if I break it like this, let's keep it aside, and this is the main LCD. Wow, you can see it is the main LCD, where it is mirror like portion, and it is a black glass. Here inside the LCD you can find many things, and you may know how the LCD may work, but I don't. Let's see you what's inside the LCD is. Oh, it is very tough to open, I think. There is a sticker. That's how can I open. I can open like this. Yeah, the sticker open, and I open this. I scratch this out. Yeah, the screen is opening. Yeah, it's open. Wow, what is this? This is a silvery screen. I think it is made for the reflection or something else. This is, wow, this is not a single thing. Till this day I used to think that it is a single LCD screen, but it is not a single thing. It has many things. This is the first fold of paper, which is semi-opaque in nature. You can see it is semi-opaque in nature, and it is a second leaflet, or you can see a second layer, which is, wow, which is like a magnifier, you can see, which is magnifying the object which is beneath it. Wow. And is there any other layer? Oh, there is another layer. Let's see, will it conduct light or not? Wow, this is also acting as an magnifier. And what is this? This is, I think, the last. Wow, this has torn out. And this is, I think, the last thing. Oh, this is that last screen. You can see anything? No, this is a dark screen. You can see the reflection of our light. This is a dark screen. This is nothing. So I don't know more about it. You solve the puzzle. Thank you. And it is the main circuit. It is the front side of the circuit. You can see the place from where we disassembled the LCD. And this is the main key circuit, where you can see it is the main camera of the phone, which is 2 megapixel according to the specifications. And this is the audio input jack or aux jack. It is the charging slot. As you can see, it is the charging slot. It is the memory chip slot. This side, it is the memory chip slot. These are the little switch. These are the little switch. 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5. It is the little switch from where we used to control these volume up, volume down, play, pause. These switch are controlled by this little switch inside the circuit. And here is the SIM card slot, which I have shown you earlier. If I put like this, you can understand this clearly, that this is the SIM card slot. So if I disassemble this part, this is the SIM card slot, memory card slot, camera. This is the audio jack in. This is the charging point. This is the camera. So all the parts here has been discussed, and this is the one of the main part. It is called the vibrator. Here are unbalanced mass. Unbalanced mass is spinned with a DC motor. This the function of this vibrator is to transmit the wave, transmit the electromagnetic wave. For this reason, for transmitting the electromagnetic wave, the vibrator spin with the unbalanced part, and the detailed function is not known by me actually, as I'm not a technical guy. I have just disassembled it to see what's inside it. I just know that the vibrator works like this, but I did not know the function, actual function. This is the charging plot, and this is the CPU, which you can call ROM and RAM are all there. There are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 compartments. I do not know which is the CPU or which is the RAM from above, and these are the parts. I think one will be the RAM and one should be the ROM. And that's all. I do not know anything more than this. I think I want to just show you my audience that what's inside the keypad mobile, because sometimes someone have some interest to see what inside the mobile, but they have also interest to know that how it is working, but I do not know that. For that reason, you can consult some technical guy channel. I just disassemble this old mobile for you, and that is my video after all. So thank you. If you like this video, please do not do anything. If you like this video, like it, and that's all. Thank you.